This conference will now be recorded.
Right. In the last class, we have successfully completed registration and login. And then after we have started working with the user widget also. We have configured the home page. Okay, everybody, we have configured the home page. And then after there, we have different widgets. Widget means particular section in a component. That's it. Okay, particular section in a web page. That is a widget only. So we are configuring the user widget. So we have completed up to here only. What is that? Up token we are getting, dark, this one we are getting. And then after, what is the thing we need to do? Whatever the user login, that information I need to get from where? From the server side. What is the date one? From the server side. Get user. So authentication, this token also we need to send. Okay, right. Const data equal to error response.json. This everything we need to handle it. And whenever the component is loaded, I am calling this method, get user method. That means what? Whenever user component, user widget is loaded, then immediately whenever the user is login, then immediately I need to display that user related information. If there is no user, I need to return null. If there is user, I need to get all the data from the user, first name, last name, location, everything I need to display. And whenever I click there, I need to go to the profile page. Okay, just normal I'm keeping there. Okay, then after I'm displaying that user related picture path. Understand everybody, that user related image. And then after that, I'm displaying here first name and last name of the user. And if there is any friends, I am displaying that count also. Okay, friends dot length, that 0 friends, 1 friend, 2 friends, like that. Then after, what I'm displaying here is occupation, location, that user related location, that user related occupation. Okay, then after, who viewed your profile, so just normally viewed profile. Okay, normal I'm keeping it. So impressions of your post, impressions, count only. Okay, just randomly I have created. And if you observe that there is assets folder in the front end, also there is Twitter account of the user, LinkedIn account of the user, the related images. So what I'm doing, first thing is I am copying this folder. What is that? Yes, maybe it is assets folder, and I'm pasting in our front end. Okay, public folder assets, so that it will come. So now what is pending is this, everything is fine. What is this method? Get user. What are you doing there? Response. Okay, what are you doing there? User slash user ID. Whatever the user we have logged in, that user ID we are sending to this user's data. So depends upon that user ID, we need to get the data from the backend. So we need to configure the backend today. Okay. So now let's go to the server. First, see here everybody, every request related to backend. Okay, so whatever the request we are sending from the front end, whenever it is going to backend, first of all it will reach index.js. What is the date one? Index.js. So now here also you need to go to the backend. We need to open our index.js. There I am configuring user routes. What is it, everybody? User routes. That means, what is that? I will tell you, wait a second. URLs which are containing users, that user routes. So now what is the thing I need to do is, we need to go to our backend routes folder. Understand, everybody? Open this. Where are you saving? In the routes only, with the name users.js. So I'm not using these things, or else I'm not doing anything. Okay, everyone. So now here, what is the thing I'm doing? Here I am configuring this user routes. What is that user routes? The URLs. What is that? Slash users. 6001 means what? Index.js. After 6001, any URL is any user is containing. See here, any URL is containing users. Any URL is containing users. Whether after that, whatever it may be, user ID may be there, whatever it may be. Any URL is containing, after 6001, any URL is containing users. That will go to this user routes. What is the meaning of user routes? Observe here. What is the meaning of user routes? Routes slash users.js. It will go to that particular file only. From that routes to, it will go to the controller. Okay, right, perfect. So now what is the thing I'm doing is, come here, this one, pasted there. What is that? Any URL is containing users. That will go to where? User roots. What is it, everybody? User roots. Clear it, everybody? Right. Now what we need to write in the users? Now go to here, roots, open this users.js. What is that, everyone? Users.js. So first thing is importing IE express. Then after rotor equal express.rotor. Then after export to default rotor only. Forget about this verified token. This is not so important. Okay, right. So what are we doing? If we are importing get user friends, add remove friend methods from where? From the controller slash users.js. So now what I am doing is taking here a new file, saving it, and where I need to save? In the controllers with what name? Same name, users.js. First of all, it will reach here. Then after it will go to the controllers. So now what I am writing is here, import this method. Controllers slash users.js. Okay, I am importing this. Where here I need to define it in this controller only. So now I need to open backend related, previous application related controllers users.js. What is it, everybody? Users.js. There, what is the method I need to write? Get user. So in order to use users related information, I need to access users collection. So users collection, in order to access that user collection, we need, I already told, model slash user.js. So first of all, I need to import this. Then after I need to write this line. Export, what is that? Export const. What is the method name I need to write here? Get user. What is that, everybody? Get user equal to async lambda expression. See, one more time telling, tomorrow no class. Okay, everybody? Right, please remember. And the Wednesday onwards, our class timings will be 5 o'clock. Okay, right, it is changed 5 o'clock. Okay, everyone, please use the same link. And our Wednesday onwards, our class time will be 5 o'clock, 5 to 6. Right, please don't forget. Users.js. Now here, what is the thing I need to do? Try catch method I need to write. What is it, everybody? Try catch. Always, try catch method will hold the error only. So if there is any problem, okay, for example, you have sent the data, but there is a problem. Okay, whatever the data you have sent to the server, you are not able to send the server. That is not the situation. You are able to send the data to the server. Okay, but the data whatever you send is wrong. That status will be 402. Okay, right. Yeah, if there is a problem to send a request also, you are not able to send a request to the server, then that is comes under 500 server, 500 status. Okay, everybody, right. So what is this method we will expect? What are you sending here? Observe there. What are you sending there? User ID. How? Through this URL. So if you want to get the data from the URL, what is the thing I need to use? Params. What is that, everybody? Params. req.params. This is already I told whenever I am discussing in the routing concept. So const curly braces equal to what I am sending here. What is that, everybody? User ID. Same thing I need to use here because we are destructuring it. Okay. Then after, what is the thing I need to do? I need to use this user method find one. With what I need to find one? User ID. User ID colon user ID. Okay. We are sending their ID or what? Yes, sorry. Database one. Right, right. Okay, right, right. Sorry. ID. ID only. Okay, right. Wait 1 second. This is what await method. So what I will get there? User only. Const user equal to. What is that? Matched user. Okay, right. So now let's see here, matched user. Then after, what is that response? 200 response. If there is no problem, and whenever you are returning data properly, that is comes under 200 status. Clear it, everybody? Right. So this is completed. Okay, everyone? Right. And one more thing I forgot, not this one. This is not the user ID which is coming here directly. This ID is coming from this roots. This is what I forgot here. See, whenever I am utilizing this, any URL is containing, see, this user ID you are sending, but we need to hold it or not. So how are we holding in the roots page? This one, ID. Okay, this ID we are getting it. Okay, right. So now what is the thing I need to write is const, sorry, router dot get. I'm really sorry. What is that? Router dot get. What I need to get? Slash this user will get. You are sending here user ID, right? That will hold by this ID. Then after it will go to this get user method here. It will go to this get user method. How this is coming through? URL only. In order to get this data here, we need to use ID. Since we are destructured, we need to use req.params. Okay, everyone. Right. This is successfully have completed. Understand everybody? Right. So successfully have completed this one also. Okay, everyone. Right. Now in the front end, we need to utilize this method. So here what I am writing the front end, that is coming, this response is coming from the back end 200. Now in the front end I need to utilize it. In order to get this response, first of all I need to send a request. That purpose what I am doing is, here I am writing const get user equal to, what is that? Same method name, const get user equal to lambda expression. What is that, everybody? Lambda expression. This is purely async function. Async function. Okay, right. So I need to send this data. What is that? Await. What is it, everybody? Await fetch method. What is it, everyone? Fetch method. So in the fetch method, I need to send the URL, comma the parameters also I need to send. But what URL I need to send? 6001, not 3001. Whereas I used 6001. Then after users will go to the roots users. Then after it will go to the controllers, to the get user method only. This user ID will hold by this ID here. Then after it will hold by this one from the req.params. I am holding this. Then after I am comparing with the database data, that response I am getting here. So to this, what is the thing I need to do? I need to send the method also. I need to send the headers. What is that? The token also better to send. Okay, right? Because it has to set in the backend also token. Understand, everybody? Right. And what is this? This request, this fetch method will send the request also, and it will get the response as well. So I am storing as the response, const response equal to. Okay, everyone, right? Then after, what it will do, it will get the response. So that response dot JSON method. I am storing in a variable called data. What is it, everyone? Data. This data where I want to send here. Set user. By default user is null. But whenever I got the data, I need to update this set user method. It what name? This data. Whatever the data is coming from the backend. Understand, everybody? Respond online people. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So set user data only. This is completed. Now then after, what is the thing I need to do? Whenever this component is loaded, see it, I have imported here use effect also. Whenever component is loaded, then immediately I want to display this data. So that's why I'm writing here use effect. This method will call automatically. Parenthesis equal to greater than curly brace, it will expect a function as an argument, and if anything is updated or not, it will check. So there is nothing to observe. So here what is the method I am calling? This get user method. What it will do? It will get the response from the database, whatever the user is logged in. Okay, this is completed. Then after what is there? If there is no user, I will return as null only. Then after if there is user, I am destructuring all the data from the user only. What is the information I am restructuring? First name, last name, location, occupation, everything from where? From this user only. Because this data I am setting in the set user. That will go to this user variable. So in the user variable, what is the thing I am doing? Depends upon this ID, find one. See it. Depends upon this ID, I am getting entire user. Depends upon the ID, whoever login. So what user contains all this data, first name, last name, location, occupation, viewed profiles and everything, okay, from the user. Then after what is the thing I am doing? Widget wrapper. Already I have explained this, one more time I will explain. First of all, I will display user related image. Whenever I click there, I will go to the profile / user ID. This one, picture path. Whatever the user is logging, that picture path. Then after, how many friends are there? That count I will display. Friends.length means what? Count only it will display. 0 friends, 1 friend, something like that. Then after user rated location. Okay. User rated occupation. User rated viewed profiles count. Impressions count. Then after user rated Twitter and user rated LinkedIn profile image only. Okay. Right. So now let's come here and check there. It is running successfully. Okay. Right. And the front end also check there. Here also it is working properly. You can remove this once, right? Okay, right. Now let's come here. Ramesh@gmail.com. What is the profile I have uploaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there everybody? 6. Friends is undefined. Where here maybe. So what is the thing I will do is I will keep this in the comments. From the user related friends already I have, right? In the database. Okay, wait 1 second. I'm removing these friends now. Okay, just can everybody. Sure. I'm removing these friends now. And I will keep these friends also this in the comments. Later we'll see. Okay. Once we have come, yeah, friends list also I need to get. I did not write that. Whenever I get the friends list, then only I can get that friends count also. Okay. Right. Now remove this. Oh yes. Save it. Yeah. Successful. See it everybody. Getting or not? What is this? Profile URL. Okay. User rated profile image. And this thing. Then after location, these things viewed profile count. See Twitter account and LinkedIn account. We are not getting this data. So wait 1 second. So that is not a problem. It's okay. Right. Let me open that friends also. Let me check out about that. Now we'll get error here. Wait 1 second. So that errors are that friends related to functionality also will complete right now. Friends is undefined. So now what other thing I will do is go to the backend. Okay, what is that? Everybody go to the backend. and here compare users, other routes, posts also okay. This is okay. Posts user only, user routes okay. Very good. There is no problem at all. Then after come here slash login okay. Users colon id. Then after right there everybody what is that? Get to user friends also. Now copy this method and paste here. But then only I will get that data okay. And then after what is there? Yard remove friend also. That is also I will complete the functionality today only. Of course I cannot utilize right now, but I will write the functionality also. When now time came I will explain that. Then after id is there, that is coming the URL which is coming as friends, that will go to the get user friends also. Get user friends only. Right everybody? Right. And this also completed. Then after friend id, this is for add remove user purpose, updating only, but later I will do it. Okay, at present I will remove this add remove friend also. That get user friends only I am writing. Then after I am going to the backend. So here, here what is the thing I am doing? I am writing here get user friends also. Depends upon this ID. Const user equal to user by find by ID. Okay, everybody, right? So what is this? Promise dot all. Whatever the data is coming from this method, I am converting it into a single promise. Promise dot all. What is that? User dot find by ID. Map is what? It will get the data. Okay, related to that particular user. There are multiple friends also. So each and every friend I am iterating a loop. Okay, related to that particular ID only. And finally I am storing in this friends variable. So I am sending a single ID, but that single ID there are multiple friends. So all those things I am keeping in the friends variable. How? By iterating a loop through it map. I am sending this ID user dot find by ID. Any one of the friends is this ID is matching. Okay, I am doing it from where? From the user dot friends, that particular field I am checking. And formatted friends, what is that? If there is any problem, that means what? If the user removed also, added also, I need to update this. So friends dot map first name, I see it, id, first name, last name, location, and return this one only, picture path. So what I'm doing, friends dot map formatted friends, that means if the user removed also, okay, added also, again I need to modify this one only, this particular method only. Understanding, right? If there is anything is formatted, if any user added, or else if any user removed. So what I'm doing, friends dot map. From there, what I'm doing, ID, first name, last name, I am destructuring. Then after I am same thing I am returning also, that user rated things, and everything I am sending as formatted messages. If there is any problem, I am sending here error dot message. Clear it everyone? Right. So what is the method I need to write? Get user friends. What is that everybody? Get user friends. Export const get user friends equal to async lambda expression. Right, give me a second. Right. Async lambda expression. What is this? REQ comma RES. Writing here try catch. Always catch method will expect the error only. Error. If there is any problem, this is the response I need to send there. And what I want to try const equal to req dot params. For that everybody id. Then after same thing I need to find this user id only. Okay. So after finding this id, what is the thing I will do? I will get all the users list. Then after, what is the thing I'm doing? User dot friends. What is it, everybody? Friends dot map. I am iterating a, okay, method 2 is this. So what I'm doing there, I am getting this ID, and then after, what I'm doing, and I'm printing all the users by this ID in the friends only. Is there or not? User dot find by ID, this ID. Okay, right. So this everything, what is the thing I'm doing? So whatever the data is coming here, and all the data I'm converting a single promise. Promise dot all. Again, this entire thing I'm storing in a variable called const friends only. Understand, everybody? Right. After getting this, then what is the thing I will do? I will write this, because if there is any problem, I cannot identify this. Okay, right. Here, what is the thing I'm doing? Whatever the friends I got, friends dot map. Okay, everybody. So what is the thing I'm doing? I am getting here ID also, user related ID, first name, last name, all question, everything I am getting. What is that? Friends related. And same thing I am returning here. Same thing I am returning. What is that? Friends related ID, friends related first name, last name, occupation, location. Okay. So that is the formatted data. That means if the user is formatted or not, deleted also, removed also, of course that is add remove friend functionality. But whatever it may be, after updating there also, here also that friends related information I need to get. Okay, everyone, right? Then after, what is the thing I am doing? I am sending this response to the front end only. What is that? Formatted function. Okay, right. Then after, here I want to write one more function also. What is that? Add remove functionality also I will complete. What is that, everybody? Export const. What is that? Add remove functionality. Add remove friend. So how to develop this functionality? First to try and catch. If there is any problem, phone not for only. Now observe here, ID, friend ID. Why? Whatever the user ID, okay, is login, that ID also, and friend ID. That means what? If anybody is removed, that friend ID also need to get from the arc.params only. So const user equal to await user dot find by ID. What is that, everybody? Find by ID. I am finding this. Then our friend equal to user dot find by ID friend ID. So whether you both are friends or not, I need to identify this. So user dot friends dot includes friend ID. That means what? Already if there is friend, then what other thing I'm doing? Again I'm clicking there. So there is only one function, plus icon will be there. Whenever you click on the plus, it will convert into minus. Whenever you click on the minus, that will be removed only. Understand it? Whenever you click on the plus, okay, it will that user will add to your friends automatically. No need to send request, no need to accept. But whenever you can click there on the plus, he will add it, right. Then after I will display there minus. Whenever you click on the minus, means what? Same user has to, same friend has to removed. Okay. So that purpose, first of all, that friend ID is there or not, I need to check. In the user friends, includes means what? It is there or not, it will check. Okay. So if it is not there, what is the thing I will do? Even user dot friends dot push friend ID. That means what? I want to add. Why? Because already previously he is not there. That means what? You want to add his to your friends list. So I need to add. Then after, what is the thing I will do? I will update in the friend dot friends dot push also. There is a friend will be there, friends also will be there. There also I will send this ID. For example, he is already there. That means what? You want to terminate him. So user dot friends equal to user dot friends dot filter. That means what? Your filter means what? You need to remove the data from the array. So ID not equal to friend ID. That means whatever the ID you are sending there, except that ID, enter data you are retrieving. That means what? For example, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. You have terminated 3. That means that 3 ID has gone. And you are retrieving what? Except that 3, remaining all friends you are retrieving. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only will get. So you need to update in the user friends also, and friend dot friends also you need to update on this. Okay, so here I am sending in the user dot save also, friend dot save also, and that friends equal to await promise all same thing. That from, okay, from there I am getting this formatted friends. That means how many friends are there, all the friends related, ID is first name, last name. Same thing I am returning here also. And that one only I am sending to the front end. So now what is the thing I need to do? I need to update here. What is this? Add remove friend. Okay, right. So now I need to send this ID and friend ID, which is coming from the these things. What is this? This is the update only. What is that? Update friends list. Okay, everyone? Right. Understanding or not? Respond kindly, everyone. Gopi, Kumar, Ramya, Sai Charan, Satya.
Yes.
Hello? Okay, right. This is
Yes,
completed.
sir.
Right. Now go to the browser, refresh it. Right. So now remove this slash here. Type there Ramesh @gmail.com. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click on the login. Is this Ramesh @gmail.com, right? 1. Gmail correct. Gmail, right. 3. GMAIL only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just running across reports. Did not say. Null. First block for same origin disavows. Wait 1 second. There is a problem. Wait 1 second. Okay, okay. Verify token I need to remove. Here, there is a problem. Here, so they know verify token, right? That is the problem. It is not connected with the database. That's why. Sorry. Yes, now it will connect. Now go to the backend. This click on login. Friends is undefined. Okay. User widget bundle.js. Friends is undefined. Oh, yes, yes. Because I have terminated there. Wait on. Yeah, friends is there. User only. Right. Friends dot length. Why it is terminated? Wait 1 second. Maybe I forgot something. Flex between use selector. Yeah. Use effective. Use stator. Use navigator. State dot token. Okay. Get users. User ID. Okay. Get a user. Comma. Square brackets right there. JSON data only. User, where it is user, here only, same thing, user only. So okay, right. Undefined. Friends is undefined. Okay. Maybe I am sending, not sending this friends list, this thing. Wait 1 second, let me work with the home page also. What is that, everybody? Home page also. Go to the front end. Yes, I did not work with the home page. So src scenes home page, open this index.jsx. Now open, go to the backend related client src scenes home page index.jsx. User widget advertisement, yes. Friends list widget. What is it, everyone? Friends list widget. This also I need to complete. So before that, wait 1 second. Yeah, friends list widget, post widget. Both I need to send. Then only I will get that. When our friends list widget is there, then only we'll get that. Okay, right? So what is the thing I need to do is go here, uncomment this box. Friends list widget. Okay, right? User ID underscore ID. Now go to this widgets. What is this? Friends list widget. Come here, go to the widgets and paste it here. So come there, friends list widget, widget wrapper. Okay, friend above. There is so many things are there. It's okay. Leave it like this, everybody. Okay. So user ID, friends. These are so many things are there. So leave it like this. Monday, Wednesday class will meet. I will explain this. Okay. I am deleting this file here. Okay. There are so many things are there to explain this. Okay. If you cannot complete within 5 to 10 minutes, you cannot complete 5 to 10 minutes. So Monday class we will work at the friends also, advertisement widgets also. Once that is completed, then we will go to the posts. Okay, Wednesday friends, when Thursday posts. Maximum Friday will complete. Okay, everybody, right? So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Wednesday onwards, 5 o'clock our class, 5 p.m. Tomorrow no class. Wednesday onwards, 5 p.m. only. Use the same link. Understand, everybody? Right. That's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow, Wednesday will meet. We will continue. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you very much.